I know what you're thinking. It's a command ball cap. Why do I need to know about that? Well, it's always good to have a refresher. Plus, I'm pretty sure everyone at your command does not wear their ball caps the same way. Some might bend the brim, some might just have it really secure over their eyebrows, but we're just going to get into it. So we'll just do a quick dive, maybe logo, maybe substitute it with command name, as you know with command ball caps. If individual's name is affixed, it is centered on the back of the cap in sewn or embroidered letters. So there you go. Lettering may be in traditional command colors. The cap may be worn with civilian attire on or off base without insignia. Authorized position held or rank titles CEO, XO, CMC, plank order, chain, ops, deck, LCPO, etc., or rank rate with surname that are professional and conservative may be centered on the back of the cap in sewn or embroidered letters, and the lettering may be traditional colors, no nicknames. So with that being said, this at least me just reading it is saying authorized position held or rank titles. So you can have LPO, you can have WCS or Work Center Soup on there. For me, just understanding this. If you want to do that, hey, that's on you. But always talk to your chain of command about this. Ball caps with titles are not authorized for wear with civilian attire. Visor ornamentation, standard gold color is authorized for officers. It talks about, rank insignia may be worn with the garrison cap, but we're talking about just command, well, with the ball caps now. So occasion for wear. The blue and command ball caps, blue and coyote brown, are for optional wear for the type 2s and 3s and coveralls, flight suits, and PTUs. For NWs 2 and 3, the 8-point cover, let me highlight this. The 8-point cover will remain the standard headgear worn during uniform inspections, special events, and as determined by a regional commander or unit commanding officer. So some of these you might have known already, some of these you might not have known, but I still think it's really good information. But with that being said, let me know if you learned something new. Thank you for your time and have a great day.